Good morning, CG. I'm Annabelle.
And I'm Chloe.
And this is your CGTV Broadcast for Friday, February 13th.
On Wednesday, Spanish NHS hosted their after-school dancing event. At the event, students got the opportunity to explore the Latin dancing arts. Learning Spanish isn't just about words. Learning about the culture is important as well.
Today we learned salsa and meringue, and honestly both were really complex. There's a lot of footwork and a lot of hand gestures, and my favorite is probably meringue. It's a part of the culture. It's super important in Southern America and in Spain, and I don't know where the culture would be without it.
Thanks, Preet.
Indian Culture Club celebrates and explores the unique traditions and customs of India. Rayla and Ava bring you the story.
Indian Culture Club collaborated with Chef Greer for a lesson about Indian food and a cooking activity.
Learning about culture, especially through food, allows people to exchange ideas and create a greater understanding about each other. And then people create a more open dialogue of why a certain spice is important, where it came from, and then how it wound up on your plate. So today we're making a recipe that incorporates an Indian bread and cinnamon rolls. And this is also a great introduction to cooking techniques, methods, and other things within Indian culture.
Indian Culture Club leadership Dikshita Daruvari decided to do this activity as she believes it's important to learn about different cultures.
So I think it's really important that we do such activities where we're fusioning cultures essentially, but through food. There's a lot of room to expand in my culture, especially in terms of food. And I'm a bit American and I'm a bit Indian, and I feel like those two, like clubbing those two cultures through making food is essential. I mean, it helps me grow as a human being, as a person, developing my own identity. And I feel like this is an essential part, not just for myself, but the members of my club as well. You should always explore when you're making food, and this is a great opportunity to first learn about American and Indian cuisine, and it's just a great opportunity for all our members to just experience the fusion of Indian and American food.
Thanks, Rayla and Ava. This weekend, the girls' swim team will head to the state competition with 8 qualifiers: Santana Gonzalez, Caitlin Lay, Adeline Temple, Campbell Airsman, Avery Matern, Addison Matern, Eliza Shop, and Savannah Yonke. Competition opens Friday night at the IU Natatorium downtown. Annabelle and I bring you the story.
Today and tomorrow, your state preview finalists for the girls' swim team competes at the IU Natatorium. Caitlin and Addison each swim different events and have changed their training for the postseason.
So I'm swimming the 1 fly, and I'm swimming the 2 free, and then I have 2 relays, which is the 2 free and the 4 free. And I think we're just really backing off, we're tapering, we're starting to focus on the details.
I'm Caitlin, and at the state meet, I will be swimming the breaststroke leg of the 2 medley relay.
These experiences during the postseason have brought the girls together.
With all the swimmers and athletes going to state, we try to really make our connection closer, and we try to do some team bonding activities just to make sure that we all understand each other, and it helps us have a better support system for our state meet.
During the postseason, the girls changed their perspective on the training process, but have kept the same competitive mindset.
I really know that all season we try to put in our really tough efforts at the beginning, and we build our bases up, so when we get into championship season, we start working on our little things such as our starts and our turns to make sure that we know exactly what we're going to do when we swim that event. And then for eating and sleeping, I try to get more sleep towards the end, just try to make sure that my body is fully prepared and rested to swim the best I can. And for eating, I try to just really try to get enough protein and everything I need to refuel after practices.
The girls' swim team continues to train hard for their next competitors.
With both of our practices, we have a lot of variety that we get to do. So some days we'll do IM practice, sometimes we'll do stroke practice, and sometimes we'll just do a long endurance set.
Thanks, guys.
Hey, Annabelle, do you think you could draw various logos from memory?
I'm not sure. I think it depends on the logo.
I agree. Today, Madeline and Andrew went around CG asking people to draw various logos from memory.
Hi CG, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Madeline.
And today we're going to be going around asking students to draw logos based off memory.
Your logo is Mustang.
Your logo is IU. Your logo is the CG Trojan.
Your logo is Chick-fil-A.
Thanks, Madeline and Andrew.
That's all we have for you today, CG. Follow us on Instagram at CG Trojaneer and at Trojaneer Sports for daily updates. And go to our website at trojaneer.com for stories and videos. We'll see you next week. Bye!